guys, another day, another video, and today I am in white and black, basically, all strapped up. So yeah, I've got some leggings on and then I've got a cropped stripy top, so yeah, and my shoes. So basically it's pretty warm outside and I did have jeans on, and then I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to cope, so I put leggings on instead, so you know, it's a bit more breezy. So today we're doing jet skiing and parasailing. So basically we just contacted the guy. He took a while to get hold of him. Like, I've been trying to get hold of him since yesterday, but we had no reply. So he contacted us today, literally like an hour before the activities, but we had like a backup plan just in case things didn't go well. We would have like went to town ourselves and found a place that does like both, but he contacted us in time, so yeah, he's gonna come pick us up in a yellow boat apparently. So that's what we're doing today, and Jyoti's just doing his the mala. Look at this kid. Our desk's a bit of a mess, but who cares? Yeah. Stay tuned. The bed's been laid out so cutely. So cute. Oh my god, guys, it was so I just realised my door's open. It was so good, like my Stalk came off after doing the flying fish. So after 2 rounds, I was like I couldn't, and my Stalk was about to fly. Literally it came off, like all of this was up here, and then I had to redo my Stalk anyway, so I was like there's no way that I'm able to pull this down. But yeah, so we did the parasailing, we did jet skiing, we did the flying fish, all for the first time, and it was amazing. Like, oh my god, it was so fun. Flying fish comes under extreme because of all like the jumps, but it's so good. Oh my god, everyone there was so nice as well. Like the conversation that we had with everyone, it just felt like they were all so friendly and they were joking around, so we're the type to joke around as well, so we just started joking with them, and they were like, oh, you guys are so nice. Like they're like, usually a lot of people are like being grumpy as well, even when they're on holiday, and they're like, you guys are so nice, like easy to talk to, you can joke with you guys, and like we're all just having a lot of like fun and just, yeah, joking. And then when my Stalk came off, I asked them if they had a mirror. There was a huge mirror, and then obviously I was going to put my Stalk on top of my kiski because my kiski didn't come off, but my kiski was so loose that I had to basically redo everything. So I just started to I had to undo everything, do like all of them, because they've never seen like anyone do a Stalk. They thought it was like a hat, but that's not their fault. They just don't know. They haven't came through, like they haven't seen people that wear a Stalk. So we were like, oh no, this is like, there's like a process to it. It's not as simple as it looks. And so I started doing like my bunga kiski and Stalk again, and I had to do it there because I was like, I'm not gonna like walk around with no Stalk on now. And literally they were all of them were staring at me through the whole process. They were like, who taught you? We're like, just I taught myself. That, no, did you go to school that taught you? I'm like, no, I just learned myself. And it was just so, they were so sweet, and they were just looking like, how is she doing this? Like, this seems so complicated. You know, obviously people that tie it every day, we know it's not that difficult, but bless them, it was so nice. I'll put them in the description below. If you're ever in Marmaris, Turkey, go hit them up and tell them that we sent you guys. You could be like the people with the turbans told us, and they'll probably know who we are. Don't think they're gonna forget.
Yeah.
What up guys, so basically we've just had, well, it was snack times, but we didn't have our, what's it called, lunch, so we basically had lunch, late lunch. The people from the hotel came over and they were like, oh, we're trying to get a group together to go trekking to see the cave, and guess what we said? Jyoti, what did we say?
Of course.
We said yes. Even though we're kind of tired, but well, let's do it. Let's do it. Now I might need to get out these jeans into something else, but I don't know what to change into, so we'll find out. I changed into these leggings, my shoes, this like sports jacket, and I've got like a sports bra underneath. So it was because it's a bit if we're gonna be trekking, it's just easier that I'm like able to breathe, because the road is really steep.
He is tired now after a little walk, but look.
So basically what happened is, we were ready at reception by 5, and he said 5, but he meant the other reception, and we didn't know about that reception, so we stood there for like 10 minutes. We're like, don't see them, where are they? And then we were like, we'll go anyways, and if we find them on the way, we find them on the way. And so we left. Oh my, I was so tense. Like, and then I was legit, I was sweating so bad. And when we got there, when we were nearly at the cave, we saw the people, and they were like, oh my gosh, you came. And we're like, yeah, we're waiting for you at the reception, didn't see you guys, so we left. They're like, well, it's good that you made it so far. And then one of the people stayed with us and like took us the rest of the way, because we were just guessing the way basically. And it was like a 20-minute trek, but an intense trek getting there. But the view was so nice, and like the cave, I think there's water running under the mountains, because it was like a cool breeze in the cave and not a warm breeze which was outside the cave. But apparently they say people that have asthma usually go and visit the place because it's supposed to help them. Yeah, so we went there, and it was a really nice cave, and the air was amazing, and this kid would not stop with the light. Wow. Yeah, so basically we just got some drone shots, we sat down for a bit, went for the hike, and now we're gonna go for dinner, aren't we? Jyoti?
I'm ready.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Been that way for all my time. So forever I go. Simple, fast, so I know it can stop at one time.